Sarah, the Wi-Fi is not working again.
Again? Did you check the router?
Of course I did. The router is fine.
Is it turned on?
Sarah, I know how to use a router.
Okay, then why is the internet not working?
I don't know. Maybe the internet company is having a problem.
Did you try restarting the router?
Restarting it? That's too easy.
Just try it, Tom.
Fine, I will restart it.
Wait, where is the power cable?
The power cable? It's right here.
Tom, that's your phone charger.
Oh, right.
Look behind the TV.
Okay, I found a cable.
Is it connected to the router?
No, it's connected to the lamp.
Tom!
What? The lamp has internet too, right?
No, Tom. Lamps don't use Wi-Fi.
You never know. Technology is changing every day.
Just find the router cable.
Okay. Here it is.
Is the router plugged in?
Wait a minute.
What?
I think I know the problem.
What is it?
I unplugged the router this morning.
Why?
I needed a place to charge my phone.
You unplugged the Wi-Fi to charge your phone?
Yes.
Tom, you are the reason the Wi-Fi is not working.
Well, at least we found the problem.
Plug it back in.
Done.
Now wait a few minutes.
And if it doesn't work?
Then we call the internet company.
Good idea.
But first, check if your phone charger is plugged in.
Sarah?
I'm just asking.
Okay.
It is. Good. Then maybe there's hope for you after all.
Very funny.
The Wi-Fi is back.
Yes! Time to watch the game.
Finally. And Sarah? What?
Don't unplug the router.
I won't, I promise.
Good. My phone is fully charged anyway.
Tom!
I'm joking.